Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on the Weee app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your referral link so that you can refer friends and family members. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Weee app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says Refer Friends Get $20, click on that. Next, click on Share Link, and then this is where you can actually go ahead and share your link. So you could actually copy this link or instantly send it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on the Weee app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.